guys, we're back. We just put a battery in to the transmitter. First, we did try to swap. Do you see that on the camera?
Yeah.
So we get the super small brake lever. So we can actually.
So it's like kind of like easier for me.
Yeah, we'll actually show them. So if you grab the radio with your normal hand, and you show them now. So how does it feel if you use the throttle and the brake? Is it tighter? It's good.
Yeah, it's actually quite good. It just felt like it takes on like.
Do you need some foam?
No, I don't think so. It's still quite good.
Still quite good. Okay,
like it.
Let's start it up. Will you take the camera?
Yes, sir.
And zoom in on the screen then. And we'll try to see. Not too close. You can back it up a little bit. Keep it a little bit higher. Like that maybe. And power on.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Let's get the...
Wait, what's F3G?
Yeah, that's what I was exactly now gonna tell everyone. So I will use this pen tool. F4G is the transmission modulation. You don't need to film me, you can just film the screen. Shows that you have the fastest one, F4G. Runtime, 5 seconds. You get 6.6 volts, very nice, bright screen. Let's go through the menus just quickly and see what it has. So we get these 4 buttons, plus, minus, direct and end, and then the power and display. I think you can do it in normal Futaba manner, just put it on display without transmitting anything. So please keep the camera still here so we can show everyone with a good view. Here, like here. Okay, let's go through them. We used the joystick, exactly like the T10.
It looks like the menu. It looks like exactly the same.
Yeah. So we got the system menu, show brightness and display settings.
Backlight, minutes.
Let's see if it's end. Yeah, end was the back button. Information, language. Let's see. Do we have Swedish? No. Japanese, German, Dutch, French, Spanish, Czech, and Italian. Do you know Italian?
No, not that much, but I do know some.
Okay, let's go back then. System menu, buzzer, battery. Okay, here you have to set up what type of battery you have in. And right now we have a LiPo 2-cell, I think. No, Leaf. Okay. Oh, this function is great. This Grandpa should have that one, right?
I think he has that.
Auto power off? No, because he always forgets his transmitter on, buzzing in the pits, right?
Yeah, and then it
don't care about the fly.
He's like doesn't care and then just leave it on. So I think we can turn it like it can be on.
Yeah, it will be on. We'll continue.
So then. I don't forget.
Let's see. Let's go back. Total time, LED settings, backlight, brightness, etc. Standard stuff. Calibration, also standard on Futaba. Let's see, menu 2, receiver update. Okay, so you can update the receivers with the latest software. Just connect it. When Futaba makes new software for the receivers, you have to update them through this port. I think I have to read about it, or you can just do it wireless maybe. I know you can do servos wireless at least. Okay, let's go back. Model menu, model copy, model select, model name, data reset, great. Linkage, you have what type of receiver and type of servo. So this one is receiver F4G. Let's see if we can... you don't change that one there. Servo view, you can see all the 6 channels.
But why is there only 6?
And this one has 6, nothing is connected to them yet. You have to set it up. Let's continue, right? Or can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
It's easier. Just hold it still and I will try to guide us through. Okay, let's go back one. Throttle mode. Here you can put it in 50-50 or 70-30, which is the normal one.
Well, I don't know. Wait, do I usually have max or not?
No, 70-30 is the percentages. So you get 70 and 30. You get less movement to the back.
On my old one, I used to have like full gas, like full speed. Will it be on?
Yeah. You mean when I reduce the speed? Yeah, but we will put this one on 100% on the speed. I'll show you where. Channel reverse on all channels. Nothing sub-frame. Super good display. You can really see everything.
Is
really
this
clear.
like the newest
Here's the
Futaba?
Yeah, this is new. Here's the endpoint, and this is where I used to put your car down to like maybe 70 before you were forward. Yeah, but we'll reset that. You will have 100%. Failsafe, where you put on the servos in case of loss of transmission. You can also put in a battery failsafe, as you can see it far down. Okay, that was menu number 1. Acceleration. I have to read about this, but I think this one is just like speed, where you can, or like a curve, which you can engage. Here you can set what all the trims are gonna be. I usually have my dual rate. You can set that. That's on DT5, but we want that on DL1. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go into that one. That was just a slide. Dual rate. There it is. Now we have dual rate on this trim. You see it here.
What does dual rate mean?
That's the steering angle. And then we get steering trim on number 1, throttle trim, hardly used on electrical cars. And then we will have, let's see, is it not 4 or 5? It's 5. DT5, that's dual rate as well. And DT6 is brake. That's good. Then we get DT4, 2, 1, 3. So.
But where's 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And
just 6.
DL1. So, and then we also have this one, the push button. And I know what this is for. This is for Mini C cars.
What's that?
The very small cars that Grandpa has a lot of.
Oh yeah.
Super small ones.
But what
I don't know what you exactly do. And there's a body pin holder. This one, body pins, the small pins that holds the body in place. Clips. Okay, let's go back to the radio.
For the car?
And here we have, you can set the steps for each button. So
but
I like
steps?
yeah, because you maybe wanted to change a little bit at a time or very much every time you hit it. So we'll just reduce that to 1. That's good. And DT3 to 1.
DT 1?
Yep. Okay, switch select. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3.
It almost looks like Nintendo Switch.
Yeah, but not Nintendo Switch. I know that you want it. This is switch 1. This must be switch 2. And this is switch 3. The roller or jog also is a button. Look.
Whoa.
Yeah.
But
and we can
why is there like switches?
Yeah, because you need them. Because maybe you can set this button here to activate one of the program mixing. You can see, or control, or ABS, or four-wheel steering. This is also for This is but this is for crawlers with both front axle and rear axle turning. Or you can use it for traction control, dual electronic speed controllers. It's a lot of things. Gyro mixing, controllable mixing, engine cut, start brake. You can put it in start mode to be very fast off the line. Yeah. Or backlight. Yeah, there's a lot of things. Gyro data and trans brake. I don't know what that is. Transmission brake. Maybe something for crawling as well. Idle up, super simple. Here you have the dual rate, which we turned here. You see, or on the thumb, where it actually turns 2 steps now, and the brake. And you put in throttle rate for rain, for example. Channel settings. Model 1. You can what's it called? You can choose to have like channel 4 being the steering channel, channel 3 being the throttle channel, etc. Very good for large scale cars, not so much used for smaller 110 cars, never used, hardly. So that was Linkage racing menu. We got the normal ones with curve and speed, steering speed, turn and return, same as on the throttle, traction control with a lot of things, ABS, engine cut, start menu, trigger point, and then you can have the preset. So when you just touch it and it's activated, you go to a preset like 25 or something. Instead of finding your movement, you just hit it and it will instantly accelerate. Engine cut is mainly for boats. Response. Here you can set the response of the receiver and servos. You can see response adjuster. How do we do it? Off. On. Oh, I mean. So here you go from mild to quick. If it's too quick for you, you can adjust it down. And drag racing menu. Never seen this one.
Drag racing. I've never done that.
No, we don't have any drag racing car.
Why? Is there never any drag race car?
No, never seen one. Okay, so that's. Was that all the? No, that was racing menu. Okay, mixing menu. Jesus, tank mixing for those with Tamayas.
Or
here is the free mixing and winch mixing. Free, you can just use one. Let's see how you do it. Leon is starting to get a little bit tired. Master, steering, slave, throttle. You can set it to anyone you want. Master mix is if you change anything on the steering in the sub menus, then it will also go to this one. But anyway, this radio set looks like it has it all, right?
Yeah, it looks quite cool actually. I like it.
As best servo. Here you can set the servos. Yeah.
But
rollout
at least it was like a cool radio, cool stuff. Like I like this part where you like roll or that sort of thing.
Okay.
Which I'm pressing on. It was like quite cool with the LED lights around and the button. It's quite cool.
Looks cool.
Yeah.
So you think
I can't wait till we like change it to this.
Yeah, I think we'll do that right now, and then we just take a photo and put it up on the web, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But then we're done for now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. And what do you usually say, Leon?
Oh, yeah. Thanks. Like and subscribe and follow for more. See you later.
See you later. Bye.